Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money on Superpay.me as a beginner. Before we get started, check the link in the description to Superpay.me that will give you a $1 bonus when signing up. Let's get started. Visit the Superpay.me website by clicking the link provided in the description. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the Join for Free button and click on it to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form where you need to enter your personal details, including your full name, email address, and preferred payment method for receiving earnings. Ensure that you provide an active and accessible email address, as you will be required to verify it to complete the registration. After filling in the necessary details, proceed by submitting the form to create your account. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from Superpay.me. If you don't see it in your primary inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the confirmation code provided. Copy the code carefully and return to the Superpay.me website. On the verification page, paste or type in the confirmation code into the designated field. Once you have entered the correct code, click on the Confirm button to finalize the verification process. Upon successful confirmation, your account will be fully activated and you can start exploring the platform, completing surveys and earning rewards. This is the dashboard, your main hub for accessing various earning opportunities. Here, you will find different ways to make money, including paid surveys, promotional offers, and other available tasks. The dashboard also displays your current earnings, so you can keep track of your progress in real time. Take a few moments to explore the layout and familiarize yourself with the different sections. To begin earning, navigate to the Paid Surveys section. This is where you will find a variety of survey providers offering different opportunities to earn rewards. You can choose from providers such as CPX Research, among others. Click on a provider to view the list of available surveys. Each survey may have different requirements and reward amounts. When selecting a survey, ensure that you answer all questions honestly, as this helps match you with suitable surveys and increases your chances of qualifying. Some surveys may take only a few minutes, while others might be more in-depth but offer higher rewards. Take your time and complete them carefully. CPX research surveys on Superpay.me are designed to collect detailed consumer insights through a structured set of questions. When you start a survey, you will first go through a screening process to determine if you match the target demographic. These initial questions focus on personal details such as age, gender, income, education, job industry, and geographic location. Some surveys may ask additional questions about household size, marital status, or whether you have children. These details help researchers ensure they gather data from the right audience. If you pass the screening, you will move on to the main survey, which varies based on the company or brand conducting the research. Some surveys focus on consumer behavior, asking about your shopping habits, product preferences, or recent purchases. You may be asked about the frequency of buying certain items, the brands you recognize, and the reasons behind your choices. Others may cover advertising and marketing, where you review an ad or commercial and provide feedback on its effectiveness, clarity, and appeal. Many surveys include questions related to services you have used, such as internet providers, streaming platforms, or financial institutions. You may be asked about your level of satisfaction, what features you like or dislike, and whether you would recommend the service to others. Some surveys explore lifestyle and entertainment preferences, including questions about how often you travel, your favorite TV shows, the social media platforms you use, or your opinions on current trends. The format of the questions varies. Multiple choice questions are the most common, allowing you to select one or more answers from a list. Some surveys use rating scales, where you rate a product or service on a scale from 1 to 10 based on quality, affordability, or likelihood of recommending it. There may also be matrix-style questions where you rate several items within the same category at once. Open-ended questions require you to type out your thoughts in your own words, explaining your reasoning behind certain opinions or behaviors. To ensure quality responses, surveys often include attention check questions. These are designed to confirm that you are actively participating rather than selecting random answers. For example, a question may ask you to choose a specific answer from a list, or it may repeat a previous question in a slightly different way to see if your answers remain consistent. If inconsistent or rushed responses are detected, you may be disqualified from the survey. Once you complete the survey, the system reviews your responses, and your earnings are credited to your Superpay account. The amount you earn depends on the length and complexity of the survey. If you do not qualify partway through, you may be redirected to another survey or receive a small compensation for attempting it. New surveys become available regularly, so checking back often increases your chances of earning more. Once you finish a survey, your earnings will be credited to your balance. You can check your updated balance in the dashboard at any time. Keep an eye on new surveys and tasks that become available, as they provide additional ways to maximize your earnings. You can convert the points you earn into cash, allowing you to withdraw your rewards easily. The more surveys you complete, the more points you accumulate, increasing your earnings. By consistently participating in surveys, you can maximize your rewards and turn your opinions into real money. Another way to earn money online is by engaging with offer walls. These sections present various tasks that, when completed, can reward you with points, credits, or even cash. Common tasks found in offer walls include signing up for free trials, downloading and testing apps, filling out surveys, or making purchases from specific brands or retailers. To start, you'll need to click on an offer to view the full details. This will include a description of the task, what is required, and any restrictions that may apply. Some offers may have specific conditions, such as completing a task within a certain time frame or reaching a particular level within an app. Once you've completed the task and met all the criteria outlined, you'll earn the promised reward. These rewards can come in various forms, such as gift cards, PayPal credits, or points that can be redeemed for products or services. Offer walls are offered by several platforms, including AdGate Media, OfferToro, and others, which aggregate offers from different advertisers. The variety of offers means you can choose the ones that best suit your preferences and lifestyle. Whether it's trying out new apps, testing products, or even making purchases, you'll find tasks that fit your interests. As you work through these offers, it's essential to keep track of the tasks you've completed and the rewards you've earned to ensure everything is properly credited. Additionally, while many of these tasks are free, some may require purchases or subscriptions, so it's important to read the fine print before committing. By strategically choosing and completing offers, you can maximize your earnings while enjoying a wide range of activities and services. The Paid Games feature offers an engaging and rewarding experience for users by allowing them to earn valuable rewards while having fun playing games. As you play the games on the site, you earn points or cash rewards, with the amount varying depending on the game and your level of engagement. The more you play, the more you accumulate, and the faster you can reach the required threshold for cashing out your rewards. Once you've accumulated enough points, the platform provides multiple ways to redeem them, offering flexibility and convenience. You can opt for well-established payment methods such as PayPal or Skrill, which are widely accepted and reliable for online transactions. Alternatively, if you prefer shopping, you can redeem your points for gift cards from top retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and other popular brands, allowing you to treat yourself to a wide range of products or services. The site ensures that payments are processed swiftly, typically within 8 hours of a payment request, which means you won't have to wait long to access your earnings. Whether you're looking to withdraw your rewards to a payment processor or enjoy a shopping spree with gift cards, the platform offers a fast and efficient way to get your rewards. In addition to the games themselves, users can explore offers from trusted third-party platforms like AdGate Media and OfferToro. These platforms provide a variety of offers, including surveys, app installations, and other tasks that allow you to earn additional rewards. By selecting offers that align with your preferences and interests, you can enhance your earning potential while diversifying the ways in which you accumulate rewards. Whether you're an avid gamer or someone looking to complete simple tasks for extra rewards, the platform offers an array of options to suit everyone's needs. Another way to earn is through referrals. To get started, simply click on the Refer Friends button. This will provide you with a unique referral link that is specifically tied to your account. You can share this link with others by posting it on social media platforms, including it in your blog posts, or sharing it on relevant forums and online communities. Every time someone uses your referral link to sign up, you'll earn a commission based on their activity or earnings within the platform. This means that the more people you refer, the higher your potential earnings from their ongoing activity. It's an easy and effective way to boost your income without additional effort beyond sharing your referral link. Now, let's go over the process of withdrawing your earnings. To start, click on the Withdraw button. You'll see that the minimum payout for PayPal is $3, but keep in mind that Skrill and other payment methods may have different minimum withdrawal limits. Additionally, before you can make your first withdrawal, you are required to complete at least 5 surveys. This is a common requirement to ensure that your account is active and verified. Once you've completed this step, you can select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. After choosing your method, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Payments are typically processed quickly, but the exact time may vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose. Make sure to double-check the payment details to ensure everything is correct before confirming your request. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, you can visit the Help section for assistance. In this section, you will have the option to submit a support ticket where you can describe your problem or inquiry in detail. The support team will review your submission and get back to you as soon as possible to provide guidance. Alternatively, you can browse through the FAQs, Frequently Asked Questions section, where you may find answers to common issues or helpful information related to your concern. Superpay.me is an easy and straightforward platform to help you earn extra money in your spare time. With a variety of earning options available, you can stay consistent and maximize your potential income by exploring different activities, such as completing surveys, watching videos, or testing products. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to anyone looking to make some extra cash. Additionally, by using the link in the description to sign up, you'll receive a $1 bonus to kickstart your earning journey. Whether you're looking to make a little extra money or build a steady stream of income, Superpay provides a convenient and reliable way to do so.